Hi guys, it's Dave here, DAYB, living at the moment, and I'm currently walking down here subdivision. It's really dark, pero the stars are lighting up, and yeah, I tend to appreciate the world more during this time because wala lang, diba? And if you're going to look at the stars, kita nyo ba ako? So, I just have galing lang ako from my girlfriend. I also bought some gifts from my family. And I also had to meet with Miggy, my day one friend, my best friend. And it's pretty good, really happy, when I get to experience life every day. I may not show it every day, pero ba't pa ako nagyayap? Anyways, wala lang. It's life, like, gotta live it. Binigyan ko ng Panginoon ng buhay to experience what He has done for you and what He will do to you, and it's up to you to follow it, di ba? What's great is that ikaw bahala. You may take it as a bad thing, pero you see the kindness, and if you really tend na intindihin yun, ma-overwhelm ka eh. Like, imagine this, di ba? Parang siyang tao, kahit anong sapak mo, kahit anong bully mo sa school, every break time bibigyan ka pa rin niya ng baon. Bro, that's some next level kindness. If you come to think of it, kung ikaw yung nasa shoes niya, babawi ka, you're gonna be starting your own villain arc. Pero hindi eh, si God to eh. Kindness overflows, and with that, it's a great starting point to know God. Even gets deeper after that, and as long as He is alive, He will always be alive, and He will come back soon. You gotta take your time and appreciate and know God. And additionally, that it is a struggle. Nothing comes easy, and the walk to Him is nearly impossible, but with the right people, we will be guided accordingly. So ayun, sinundo ako ni mama. Oh, bawal nakita!
Oo, punit-punit na yan, malaglag pa.
Bawal makita! Oh! Magay ka, ma. Wait, di ba nasakay?
Yan.
Tubar. Nakita mo sa map? Bye-bye, guys.